Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is September 4th, and we're going to take a look at CNO. We haven't covered this one in a while, and just thought I would touch base on it for my friends on the CNO board. Well, here we are, and if you watch the market overviews each night, you know that we've been talking about looking for a failed bar retest, and CNO is following that as well. So what we are looking at is the short-term moving averages going up for a test of the bar. They did not have complete crossover and separation, decreasing the odds that it would put the hurt on the bar, and true to form, it did a bar failure. So we have the short-term moving averages crossing back over in a bearish alignment, and it is going down. Well, I like CNO. CNO is a good company, and I do think that it has some good times ahead of it, but for the immediate future, things are not looking so great, and that is due to the overall market condition. Beyond the short-term moving averages, we have the long-term moving averages in a very strong bearish bar. Beyond that, we have the price consensus levels right here at about 635 roundabout, and it broke through that on Thursday. And we have the major price consensus level just above 581, and that was broken on Friday. Not a good sign. We also have the lower price consensus level down here at, I'll give you a really accurate number. I'll try to. At 556. Okay, so 556 on the lower, which is below the lower Bollinger Band currently. We can see that the CCI is ticking down. We can see that the fast and slow stochastic are ticking down. We can see that the 14-day RSI moving average is leveling out, although it is still going up. RSI itself ticking down, histogram ticking down, and MACD ticking down. Well, let's say that we're right and the market continues to go down after this bar retest and it doesn't just flip on over, which the short-term moving averages do not suggest at this time. What can we look for? Well, you have the previous lows just above 550, and the more important recent low in the around what is this 528. Well, beyond that, beyond those two levels, especially 528, what can we expect and look for? Well, if we're looking for potentials, this is black box number one, and we have the minor trend, which was broken last week. Bar retest failed. So, since we're going to probably go through this, we should hit the lower band of it, and that is right at 520, which is below the previous low. And if we were to head into the extreme trend, we'd be looking at 515, and if we go down to the major trend, it is just above 460. Now, 460 seems awful low for CNO, and I completely agree with that. But if we do pass this previous low, if this does not hold at 528, that probably will have a rash of selling. This is going to coincide with the recent low on the SPX and the Dow, and if their floor is broken, there should be a rash of selling. So in that context, does 460 make sense? It could. It certainly could. Now, what if we turn around and we go up? Certainly we have the 200-day moving average up here at 7. We have the major trend way up here at just above 730, and we have the extreme trend up here at 740. So those are our levels to watch, and our potentials, bullish or bearish. And certainly I think since we have a correlation here on the extreme and the minor, that 520 on the downside is likely uh, should there be further downside. And certainly the stochastics, let me go back to that. The stochastics say that we have room to move down. Certainly the 14-day RSI moving average could look a lot stronger. If you watch the market overviews every night on the Dow and the S&P, this is at a much better angle than CNO is. Everything else is identical. So if it's marching with the market and the market goes down as it should, then we are looking for a retest of the August 9 lows, and which would coincide perfectly with a test of the 528 and possibly hitting the 520. And if it breaks below that, watch out, because 460 is entirely possible. Well, good luck to all of the good CNOers. There's a lot of very nice and intelligent people that are invested in it. It is a good company, and like I said, I do think that it has a bright future ahead of it, and these market swings just have to be analyzed and taken into account what is possible and what is probable. This is probably going lower. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video are for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you.